Galaxies! So, today I'm going to be playing Fidget toy obby right here. So I'm on my iPad, tablet, whatever you want to call it, right now. So, Maddie is not going to be here in a collab for quite a bit. She is on the ferry to the island. So she's on a vacation. That's all I'm going to say. So she's on a vacation for a week, and because there's a lot of islands everywhere. So, yeah, she is just not going to be here. She is coming back on Wednesday in the afternoon. So, she might be in one Thursday. But, yeah, let's get into the video. And before we start the video, Galaxies, please like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And, yeah, let's get into the Fidget toy obby. I've been doing quite a lot of toy obbies before. So I'm going to hopefully do a math obby later on. And I just found out shorts. So I introduced you to Bo. And then I also did a few things. And I actually have some fidgets. I have like 13. Maddie does too. So I actually have this fidget, this poppet. This hard shell poppet. I actually have this identical one, except it has some purple at the end. Finger rings. So these rings that you go on your fingers, I think this is what it is. Oh, okay. But I know a lot of fidgets. Just these. Oh yeah, they're for sure the finger rings kind of things. These are pop tubes. And I do not have a pop tube, actually. Bo. Bo's in with me. He's in the room with me right now, so yeah. And Galaxies, if you subscribe and we get to 3,000 subscribers. Oh, that was so easy. That was literally so easy. I thought it was going to be longer. So, because we did this, I'm going to add a bit more in of the video, because I don't want you guys to end right now, because that would be too short. So, yeah, if we get to 3,000 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. And yes, I will do a face reveal, and yeah. Okay, let's go to math obby. Because I think it's pretty. Hello. You can hardly hear me. That's my poppet right here, one of my hard shell poppets. Not the other one I was talking to you about. It's like a tie-dye. It's hard shell. So, I have seen those. Oh my god. And also follow me on Roblox at Rainbow Galaxy 474. My joins are on for followers. So I already got a badge for all of them. You get a badge for every one you do. I'm going to do addition. Because I've done all of them before. Hello, buddy. So that's 4. anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, Galaxies, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!